Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. This is Carrie Sullivan with Sullivan Beauty, and today's video tutorial is to show you how to curbside pickup at sullivanbeauty.com because yes, we are still open through the pandemic. And also, by the way, curbside pickup is something that we've done much before this pandemic, so I'll just show you how to use it right now. So, first we're going to go to sullivanbeauty.com, of course. And before we get started, we're going to press this little button down by the bottom here that's got the square with the arrow through it. And we're going to scroll down to add to home screen. Why do we want to add it to home screen? So that it's always there. You can see how many times I have it here, right here. There you go. So let's go in and let's do some shopping. You know what? Instead of going to the store, which is right there, I am going to go to my reorder list. What is my reorder list? My reorder list is where I've saved a bunch of items that I like to buy on a regular basis. I like to buy violet golds. I like to buy ash ashes. I like to buy texturizing sea spray. You get the picture. So we're going to add a couple things from the cart, and then we are going to view the cart. Now, we want to curbside pick this up. So easily we go to proceed to checkout. This one's pretty easy, guys, and we go all the way to the bottom until we see this little radio dial, curbside pickup. Press that, it updates the shipping and handling, and you put in your card number, and voila, you are good to go. Come see us. We look forward to it. Look for the first garage door on the left side of the building. That's where the curbside pickup is. We now have a tone that goes off inside when a big metal object drives up to that garage door. So we'll know you're coming, and we look forward to seeing you.